na hili tokeo.
Ignio chiko bang jomaundu monjo kenonego ji 140 mbalariany ma Garissa jomane otonye monjno noromo e skund sekondar mabungma mar pidho yien kaka rapar ne monj makamano. Iko piny owacho mondo mi okonygi yudo tije mar jiwo ngimagi. Giwacho ni pod gikale pek mokalo kata bed ni higni osekalo nyaka ne tim monj makamano. Nyaka sani giwacho ni pok giyudo tich mora mora kata bed ni negisetieko tiegruok margi.
One thing I learned because of the GIA, the grassroots impact advisors, they came, they helped us, and through them we had the courage to go to even deeper to other students and even extend further to the staffs and even the non-teaching staffs of the university.
It is actually a very engaging portal where people talk about the challenges that they face, what is reading some members of the communities of violent extremism. This first creates resilience but also gives early warning to those that are already facing these challenges and empower communities on what to look out for. And because now we know that we are in the technological era and everyone is on the tech space and we all have tech gadgets, it's a very potent tool of instant communication to let communities speak for themselves, what vulnerabilities, and also among themselves.
Thank you. This is a good opportunity, and especially launching it here in Garissa University. It's something that the young people who are very, very innovative will make use of it and reach all the parts of the country. It's a program that we will encourage all the other young people to embrace and also contribute and share their experiences.